Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Today we have a 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. This one is presented in vivid black, and it really goes well with all the blacked out features. Let's start here at the rear of the bike. You can see it has the stretch saddlebags, so the saddlebags go over and around the pipes, as you can see there. Gives you a little more extra space and kind of gives you that low hot rod bagger feel. This one has updated Screamin Eagle slip-on mufflers. You can see that they're nice and big. It'll give it that extra Harley sound that everybody wants when they ride a Harley. As you can see here, the bag sweeps down over the pipe, and I'll zoom in here so you see the SE Screamin Eagle slip-on muffler there. Here's your rear tire. It has an 18-inch rear tire rim in the rear. This one has all blacked out features. Opening your saddlebag, it has nice two big saddlebags, nice Harley-Davidson logo there. The saddlebags are nice and deep, so you can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. You can fit jackets, riding gear, food, whatever you need. This one has the turn handles, so these two turn handles turn off and then the bags pull right off. Makes it really nice and easy. That was a nice upgrade from 2014. It has the touring seat, so it has the rider passenger seat, so the passenger has a grab bar as well. Down here we have the passenger has a riding peg, so that can fold up if you don't have a passenger. Here's the 114 cubic inch motor, and this is Harley's current model motor for the Street Glide Special. Comes with a high flow filter from the factory now on the Screamin Eagle bikes, or sorry, the new Street Glides. We have rider floorboards. Another nice new feature is the low crash bar, kind of that mustache shape. Kind of gives it that nice hot rod feel. Here's your front wheel. Your front is a 19-inch wheel. It's a black Prodigy wheel, so it matches the rear as well. It looks really nice because it has that low profile look, gives it a bigger appearing rim. You got Brembo brakes on the front. And over here we have the new for these years is the LED Daymaker Headlight, which is really bright and looks really good. Street Glide has the Batwing fairing, so the classic design, and then it has the low profile windshield. And you got that vent in here. Just give you the blacked out forks, blacked out everything on this bike. And then scrolling down to this side here, black horn cover, black rocker covers, even the black oil filter, black primary. This is 114 on the side there, looks really nice. And the Harley-Davidson badge on the tank. New for the tanks these last few years is the new console deck. So it used to be, the gas cap used to be in the center here. Now they put it on top here, so you can actually get more fuel in it because the way the bike leans when you're on the kickstand. It says Street Glide there. This one has heated hand grips. That was a nice upgrade by the last owner. We have mirrors on the side here. We have a stereo system, so the boom audio system. Two speakers in the front here. And your controls, you got your traction control, lights, horn, turn signals, Bluetooth, and your controls over here. On this side we have your hazards, your run, kill switch, your lights, and more controls for your system. Looking into the dash here, we have your voltmeter, you have your RPM gauge, your speedometer, and your fuel gauge. Just open up here. So there's your mileage for this bike, 1,156 kilometers on this bike total, which is barely broken. That's about 3 tanks of fuel. Your touch screen, it has Gorilla Glass, so it's nice and sturdier. The really nice upgrade. This would be the same thing that we have on the phones these days. Just scanning down here. So on this side we got the same saddlebags. Got the reflectors on the side there. Really nice looking bike. Okay, let's hop on the bike. Stand it up sturdy. Turn the switch on here. As you can see, the lights all come on. It's as you can see, a stereo. We'll turn that off. And I'm going to start the bike up. So as you can hear, it sounds really nice. Much louder than stock with the slip-on mufflers. We have stereo. Here's your home button. So we got navigation. So that'll work. You can hook up your phone, Bluetooth, stereo controls, information, so you can track what's happening with the motor, the engine, the tire pressure gauges, so it actually tells you what your tire pressures are, and trip summaries. Over here we have a compartment with a USB, so you can hook up your phone there as well. Okay, I'll give it a couple of revs for you guys. Sound really good. Alright, let's get it off of light on here. There it is, just idling. I'm going to come around here. Oh, I want to show you this saddlebag here. You have the owner's manuals, and then you have a rain sock here. That goes on your air filter, so you don't suck in water when it's raining. Come around front here, show you what the headlight looks like. So it really looks nice. It's a really bright headlight. Okay guys, this is the 2022 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. Harley code FLHXS. This is in vivid black. It only has 1,156 kilometers, and it is a 6-speed manual. This is here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.